Afsan farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.
Baba Ganoush. Elevate your event and gathering with the perfect appetizer. The eggplant dip from the Mediterranean called Baba Ganoush. How to make Baba Ganoush. It is one of the best appetizers. Ingredients: garlic, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, roasted or charred eggplant. Step 1. Roast or char the eggplant. Step 2. Mash the eggplant with garlic, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, and spices. Serve with pita bread or crackers, or fresh veggies. In addition to being tasty, Baba Ganoush has a wealth of nutritional advantages. Eggplants are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while tahini offers a good quantity of protein and healthy fats. Thus, Baba Ganoush is a heart-healthy choice that enhances overall well-being. Similar to hummus, it tastes great with fresh vegetables or pita bread, but it is distinguished by its smoky flavor and velvety texture. Deep, smoky flavor. Baba Ganoush gets its unique, smoky flavor from roasting the eggplant, which gives it an appealing deep, earthy flavor. Creamy texture. Baba Ganoush's velvety, smooth texture makes it a perfect spread for wraps and sandwiches, as well as a dip for vegetables and pita chips. Enjoy this healthy dip with pita wedges, atop a sandwich, or as part of a meze dish. Make it today and enjoy it.
همینطور که میبینید قارچ آب میندازه و ما میخوایم یه مقدار سس غلیظ داشته باشه. برای این یه مقدار اینو میذاریم بپزه تا این در ضمن که یه مقدار سیر خورد شده سرخ شده داریم. اینا هم به اندازه کافی نمک و فلفل داشته. قارچ پخته میشه، این آبش هم تبخیر بشه. آب گوشت به اندازه 1 کاپ هیوی کریم و در آخرم شراب سفید. چون این پارمژان خودش سالتی هست، پیشنهاد میکنم برای مهمونیاتون درست بکنید.